Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to go about downloading your information or data that's saved on Instagram. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is open up your Instagram account, select your profile icon in the bottom right corner to open up your profile page, and then you want to select the hamburger icon in the top right. You want to select the item that says your activity underneath how you use Instagram. And then scroll all the way down the bottom where it says download your information, and you want to select that. So at this point, you go ahead and select the download or transfer information button up here, and then go ahead and have that set to download or save to your device. And that's pretty much it. So as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.